In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create cameos on Snapchat. Okay, so to create a cameo on Snapchat, all you need to do is go ahead and tap on the messenger icon there at the bottom where you can see all those options. Go ahead and tap on that little message icon. That's going to go ahead and show you all the people that you can go ahead and message. And then once you're on the messenger screen, you can see it has that little emoji icon next to the send a chat text box. Go ahead and tap on the emoji and it'll bring you up some emojis that you can go ahead and use and some stickers. Go ahead and swipe to the right once and then swipe to the right again. That's going to load up the cameos on Snapchat. So you can go ahead and tap on one of them. And then you would want to center your face just like this and then tap on create my cameo. Then you would select your gender, so I'll select the top one, tap on continue, and now it is creating my cameo, so I'll just give that some time to finish. And now it says your cameo is ready. Use the selfie to send cameos in chat, discover lenses and more. So just tap on use the selfie and then tap on OK. And then it will go ahead and generate all your cameos that you can go ahead and use within your Snapchat messages. So I'll just go ahead and send this one right here. And as you can see, the cameo has now been sent. So that is how you can create your cameos on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.